Alright guys, welcome back. So today, Qualcomm. So we have to talk about this name, 6.5% so far, 154. That's where it's trading. And it wasn't doing pretty good in the last, I want to say 2-3 months or so, since topping out at 231. And basically this consolidation, it was pretty exhausting actually to watch. And I was watching this 175 as a possible area of resistance for the stock to get going to the upside. But when every time it starts to basically push to these zones, it was selling off. Even after reporting earnings, you can see it was met with sellers, and you can see the selling pressure persisted. And you can see like right here, last like 5-6 trading sessions, anytime it was trying to get going, I mean, it was getting sold off as well. And today, looks like today or yesterday, I don't know where, in the morning, maybe they had this investor day where they basically updated. Qualcomm provided new 5-year financial targets for its QCT business, including automotive and Internet of Things, to drive combined revenue of $22 billion by 2029, automotive revenue to grow to $8 billion by 2029. So I think that's what maybe market is not liking, the numbers that they gave. And also, if I was looking up the biggest customers, right? If you don't know, Apple is slowly going to get rid of them soon too. Like by 2026, it's not too long. And is it gonna turn into Intel? I'm not gonna call that, but we know what happened to Intel after basically Apple slowly got rid of them. And you can see China, 45% of the revenue, including Hong Kong. United States, 24%, 25%. South Korea, 20%. Other foreign, 8.8%. So we know when they say USA, I don't know how much of that Apple, but it's pretty big customer, Apple, for them, and it has been for years. But in terms of price action, I don't want to make calls regarding their revenue forecasts. I know they have been doing well recently by looking at the revenue growth, and this is a 55 billion market capitalization. No. Qualcomm, QCOM, Qualcomm. This is a pretty big large cap, $171 billion market capitalization. And you can see like in 2023, the stock was sitting at $100. And you can see like they started improving slight a bit, and stock started pushing. But you can see annual growth 2021, big jump, 2022, 2023, decline, and 2024 so far right back up. So that's why we had this growth. But right here, right now, are people concerned about the like further growth of this company? Are they going to start basically? I don't have a model. I'm not a fundamental analyst. But by looking, just glancing at this price action of this chart, I can say that, I mean, right here, right now, this stock is technically from its highs down more than 20%, which makes this stock, technically speaking, that it's in its own bear market. From $230 to these levels, if we just measure this level, stock is down 33% so far. Can it bounce? Absolutely, but it is fighting this basically bear market territory, technically speaking. And for me to turn bullish, I want to see the stock above 175, because I know already for the last 3 months there's a bunch of so many people who are trapped right here now, and there's so much supply here at these 165, 175 levels. I am not interested unless, even like if you take a look at moving averages, unless it gets back above 200 and moving average, I'm not interested to go long or even try to bottom tick this name. For me right here, right now, it might be looking like a head and shoulders pattern. Of course, we have a pretty long right shoulder, but if it breaks this head, which is, for me, this is it actually, 150, 155-ish. It can probably go to 140, but yearly opening price for Qualcomm, 144. So far 7% year to date. At some point year to date, the stock was 57%. But again, this is a large cap stock, and to assume that large cap stock will be moving like this, I mean, this is a lot. So this today's drop alone, 5.6%, it already wiped out what, like 9 billion, 10 billion off of market capitalization of this stock. So for me, ultra short term, I would be watching to this 144. If it has a little bit more to go on a momentum, and especially after Nvidia's report today, we have Nvidia report, pretty big for chip makers. I would be watching that level 144, and we'll update from there. But so far, yeah, not a good bullish looking chart. So for me, it looks bearish, but can it bounce? Yes, but I'm not interested unless it gets back above 175. So that's what I think about Qualcomm, QCOM so far. Let's see what happens. See you in the next one.